This is our two-in-one antenna solution, the Mea GNSS LTE MM. It's a two-in-one antenna having one LTE cable and one GNSS cable. Comes standard with 3 meters and SMA male connectors, and this is IP67 rated. On its small form factor, we have it available in 2 mounting styles. Adhesive, which comes with a 3M adhesive tape in the back, and at the same time we also have it magnetic. Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you want more information about this product, please reach out to our local sales team and our channel partners for more information about this.